Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to download Bigo Live on your device. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to How Logical yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Bigo Live on your device, go to your Play Store or your App Store for your iPhone. For Android, Play Store will do. Type in Bigo Live and search. As soon as you find Bigo live streaming application, from the search results, simply tap on Install button located at the top right and wait for the download to begin. Wait for your Bigo Live to install after download, and soon after it is done, simply tap open the application. Allow location to Bigo Live by tapping on Allow Now. Allow all the access it asks of you, and soon after it opens, sign in with your phone number. You can even sign in to Bigo Live with your Facebook account, your Google account, your Twitter account. That is how you can download Bigo Live on your device. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.